Today we are going to make 4 types of flavored iced tea. So let's start preparing them. For preparing the iced tea, we need to first prepare the base of it, that is the tea decoction. For that, boil 2 cups of water in a pan and add tea powder to it. Please do not add any types of flavored tea powders available these days in the market as they may affect the taste of the iced tea. Add plain tea powder and let it boil. After the decoction is ready, let it come to the room temperature and strain it. Chill it in the refrigerator. This decoction stays good in your refrigerator for 3 days. You can also make ice cubes of this decoction and store it in the freezer. Freezed decoction remains good for months. So try it. Now let's start preparing the flavored iced tea. For that, take a glass and add few ice cubes to it. Now add the base, that is the tea decoction. I like my iced tea on the bitter side, so I have added a short glass of it. You can add it to your preference. Add zest of half a lemon into the glass. This step is totally optional. You can skip it if you don't like the taste of zest. Cut the same lemon and add the juice of it into the glass. Now it's time for the sweetener. I wanted to make this iced tea a healthier version. So I used honey. You can use sugar syrup if you want. And again, the amount of sweetener completely depends on your taste buds. Top it up with some ice cold water and garnish with a slice of lemon. Your lemon flavored iced tea is ready. For the second type of iced tea, we need to first take a mortar and pestle, add 6 to 7 mint leaves in it, and make a paste of it. You can use a mixer if you want, but I prefer it this way. Take a glass and add few ice cubes in it. Pour the tea decoction and add the mint paste. As it is a mint flavored iced tea, I like to add 2 tablespoons of honey in it. Top it up with some ice cold water and garnish with mint leaves. Your mint flavored iced tea is ready. Now comes one of my favorite flavors. Take a glass and add few ice cubes to it. Pour in the tea decoction and add 1 tablespoon of Jaljeera powder into the glass. Please do not add honey to this flavor. Top it up with some ice cold water and your Jaljeera flavored iced tea is ready. Now let's make my most favorite flavored iced tea. I've saved the best for the last. For that, take a glass and add ice cubes. Pour in the base, that is the tea decoction, and here comes the star of the show. Chocolate syrup. Yes, chocolate flavored iced tea is my favorite. I have added 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup, so there is no need of adding any honey. Top it up with some ice cold water and your chocolate flavored iced tea is ready. Here we go. Lemon flavored iced tea, mint flavored iced tea, Jaljeera flavored iced tea, and chocolate flavored iced tea. Make these refreshing drinks at your home in this hot summer and beat the heat. Bye bye.